All right, so bet we had this, and my husband said, smooth, feels good. So we just got this dresser stuck in the legs are stuck down there. Y'all, I really don't know how we ended up with a dresser. We came here looking for tile. I will pop up on the screen the tile that my husband liked. Y'all tell me if we should have got a little bit too much going on, but we didn't get it. You can always come back and get it another day. I want wallpaper to go up, and so I feel like if I put wallpaper up, it's gonna be doing a whole lot of busy up. I don't want to do a whole lot of busy down. All right, I'm liking this right here for the floor. And then I also like the honeycomb black and white up there. That one right there, it's nice. Go for something that's more black. Anything because of how the floor looks. I don't really like that one because it's not as shiny. If I did go with something black, kind of, that's okay. You know, not my favorite. Yeah, I don't really like that one. So yeah, those really are my two options. I like the gray that's way up there. Not really going with gray. It's all right. I like this one too. I like that chevron pattern. But I feel like it does so much on the eyes. Yeah. So it has the markings, the furniture company, and then on the bottom, it also has that as well. But we can see here, it's been tacked back up. We have to tack it back up some more because it's kind of tattered here in the back, and somebody did their best to try to keep it together, and that's fine. We'll do the same thing. And then we have some filling to do because there are some chips on this baby. Right here in the back and right here as well. So we gonna try to fix that up. We bought some stuff to do that with. Look, somebody set something up here, and you can see this is real wood, so that's why we're gonna sand it down and get that off of there. It was $149, but we got it for 75% off. So it was about 40 bucks, y'all. So this is what it looks like right now before we do anything with it. You open the cabinets for us, honey? All right, that's what the drawers and stuff look like. We plan on lining the drawers, so we'll have to clean it out and all that good stuff. Marking to show us that it was a
Rockwood by Wyman.
There we go. And the latches right here are pretty good. And I thought I broke this off, but it looked like somebody had already kind of like tapped it back in a nail. Whatever we gotta do, we will fix it. All right, y'all, so the color that we chose is called Colorful Leaves. If you know anything about our room, it's a vibe. The wall is already green, and so we felt like this will keep it that fall color, our favorite time of the year. We got some 180 grit sandpaper, 120 grit sandpaper, and we also have some 80 grit sandpaper. And what we got with Colorful Leaf was this BEHR Paint Plus Primer, and we got it in satin. We only got a quart because my husband is going to spray it once we get her ready to go. I know it kind of looks like it's pretty much the same color, but trust me, once we paint her and put her in the room next to everything, we got a good feeling that this, along with the other plans that we have for the room, will definitely make it pop. Hey y'all, there was no real intro to this video, and we really don't have any major plans other than doing some DIY projects around the house. One being what you just saw, and then two, my husband's actually going to work on the cabinetry that we talked about in the last vlog. So if you don't know what we're talking about right now, go back and watch that last vlog, because then you'll catch up. All right, I'll see y'all once I get back. Okay, first of y'all, this is me and my little brother.
Good morning.
All right, we on our first run. We going into, all right?
Ulta.
What you want to tell the people?
I don't usually go into Ulta, but I'll look around.
I'm getting my brother to smell some perfume. What you think?
It smells like candy, like gummy bears.
Would you wear it?
No.
It's called, oh no, El Interdit. I probably said that all wrong, but it said orange blossom, jasmine, and patchouli. Oh, I kind of like patchouli though. Let me smell that.
It smells like gummy bears.
I might kind of like that though. You're supposed to do it like this. He said, baby, pee like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it like that.
It does smell like gummy bears.
Now look how he smelled it. That is not how you supposed to smell it. Fan it. Not so close to your nose.
Smell good.
We at Home Depot. Terrence has bought yet another
Router.
What is this? A router. Every project seems like he need another tool. I'm beginning to think that this man just do projects just to get tools. Terrence and Isaac is putting the drop cloth and pulling the dressers out and the sand. And I'm going to clean out the dresser drawers with some Lysol and get it all prepared. And this is our project for today. I love projects.
You like projects?
Yes. Come back. Check you in a little while. Peace.
Take one if you don't.
Get some of that sticky. All right, y'all. So y'all see this in the drawer. I'm not sure what we gonna actually do in order to get it off, but we gonna work on it to get it out of the drawer. Okay? We'll come back and let y'all know exactly what we do. Once again, this is actually the source of the problem. It is candle wax, and we just need to heat it a little, and then up it goes. All right. We will return. So we have melted it down to this much, and now we're gonna sand it some. Like, we really gonna cover this with the paper, so we just need it flat enough so it's not bumpy. And nobody's really gonna see this at all, to be honest with you. Yeah. But we identified it, y'all. It's candle wax. We've melted it. Some of it has gone away. We set this thing on fire. Y'all, this is some good wood. They done set it on fire. It's done been Lysol. It's done been Pine Sol. Well, in other news, y'all, let me show y'all the handles. These are actually brass. And they have serial numbers on them. I thought this in the store. I told my husband, you probably can shine these up. They're pretty heavy, so instead of spray painting them, I went to the store, got spray paint. I'm gonna go ahead and put some brass on them, and baby, we're gonna turn these things back. Oh, that way. Yo. We're trying to check to see if our template is good. So we already cut one and want to see if it look good to you, mama. We have here Deandra is doing the inside panels. That's the pattern, the cutting, measuring for each dresser drawer. That is 15 by 1/4. Terrence is getting the legs, and we're gonna get a little closer so we can see exactly what he's doing, which is gonna make it beautiful. Plastic wood is what it's called, and it smells like ammonia. It's very strong, but once he gets through, it's gonna be beautiful. And right now we're getting little pinky or pointy fingers inside. This is the young man. Say peekaboo to everybody, and he's doing a great job.
Why you say that about me? What about the great job I was doing?
Yes, you are.
What about me? Just look at me.
You're doing a great job as well, Pumpkin.
That's
both of you.
That's my mom.
Definitely. All right.
Here we go. Something about this pipe. It's just beautiful. It's got a good feel to it too. Got
It's very thick. Nice
Yeah, it is.
paper.
Cut a little bit too short, but that's okay.
It's good. We got it.
So my wife thinks she got some brass hardware on this antique thing, but
So it says that if it's
she gonna use a magnet. Go ahead, you speak. Don't shut up.
no, go ahead, tell me, babe.
You said
Not magnetic.
brass hinges,
Hinges are
Metal.
definitely
magnetic.
yeah. That's so y'all don't think I'm cheating. I'm not. Like there's nothing. It's not picking up. It's not pick the nails. That's what it's picking up. Screws. Sorry, screws. So y'all can see what it's picking up. Yeah, this stuff. Okay, so. If you ever want to know if something is or isn't, that's how. So we gonna clean these, yeah, and they should all be good. So I thought I was like, oh, it tricked me. No, every time something's thick, I be like, nah, bro, no, okay.
Yeah, y'all realize it's 10:30.
And this is what we're doing. We love what we do. My baby, he love what he do, and I love what he do. So I should just spray paint these gold and make a match. All right, babe, cut it, cause he over here playing with this. This why he
Turn it
can't.
off.
Why you turn it off?
It's my new router set.
That's why he can't pay attention, because
all that.
he over here looking at the router set. Nah, whatever. Cut it off. You're done.
Making furniture, don't say nothing.
Ooh, so maybe my table.
Yep.
Ooh, I like that. Let's go upstairs.
And do it on the table.
Look at the camera. Good night.
We're gonna make a table, we're gonna do it on the table.
This is YouTube, you know.
I don't care if it's me too.
Oh, Lord.
Sir, can you please move your hair? I'm just messing with you, but not. Could you? Yeah, your hair is too long. This man's gonna route us. What are you doing? I just want y'all to see my husband's scalp. All right, children, don't try this at home. Whenever you're gonna route, just don't do it on your lap. Probably not it. This is definitely a cause for injury. You taking that one off?
Yeah.
You using a little ring? You don't do very much talking to the people. Tell the people what you're doing. You talk. This is such a boring video. Can you make it exciting? Can you crack your jokes? Can you show the people your personality? They're tired of hearing me.
That's tight.
Lefty Lucy, righty tighty. But
I'm learning.
it's paint day. Boy, am I excited for yo. Last night y'all was at the shenanigans taking care of the paint job, and I am excited to see this come alive. Now we went and got some bar finders friends, so we're gonna go over here and see what mama doing. Get it, honey. Yeah. Y'all comment below. Let us know what y'all think so far. Once we get in the room, y'all gotta see what the vibe really hitting for. I know orange may not be everybody's little hit, but you know, trust us, we have a vision of love. All right, me Madre, what we got popping over here? So show the people we got the tools, the tray, we got the water. We really doing this outside like this because it's a beautiful day. Hold it up, mama. Yep. I keep calling it bar finder's friend, bar keeper's friend, y'all. All right, so we're gonna use this to say for cookware, bathroom, kitchen, and all that good stuff. So let's see what's popping. We'll come back. This is what it looked like, and we'll come back and show y'all what it. We are seeing there was no need to spray paint it because you're brass up under there.
Because she cut the
About some sanding. So in between the spray paint or painting, go ahead and sand it down so that when he get ready to spray it, it gets that smooth finish. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. This is what it looks like before we actually sand it. So just in case you want to know if it's worth it to sand it, the in between the paint. So y'all want to know the gag After further inspection, we went and got some brasso. This not even real brass, bro. Yeah, it didn't magnetize, but it's brass plated because we put the brasso on this and it started to turn like, I don't know, some other shade. I was like, what happened? Real brass don't turn no other color. And guess what? We finna spray paint these mugs gold because we can't have some pieces real whatever. But if y'all think we doing something wrong or this wrong, let me know in the comments below. But by the time y'all even see this, it's gonna already be spray painted live. I ain't even gonna hold you. All right, so bet we had this, and my husband said this is actually brass. So I'm gonna take that same little cloth that he used right here, and I'm gonna hit this with it and see what we got. I can't film and do this. Coming off, so I'll be right back. Let me see what happens. All right, this is where we at so far. I want to say this is silver. We are polishing it up. I think I'm about to dip it in my water and use the wrist rinse. Yeah. All right, let's see how far we can go. All right, y'all, this is what we got. It's almost shiny as that. So what y'all think? Yeah, it's a big difference from before. So yeah, okay. This is how it looked before. It was black, smooth, feels good. I ain't gonna finish cleaning it, but hey, we know what it's hitting for. Tell us what we doing now, babe. We done moved on. New project, y'all.
All right, so I'm gonna start off with a 31 and a half by 12. Make two of these. It's gonna be my top of the cabinet and then the bottom of the cabinet. 31 and a half by 12, two of them. Top, bottom. Start with those first.
All right, these are
11 3/4 and 11 3/4. So I'm gonna take a little bit on both sides, well, this side first. All right, so I'm gonna use this as my template. So like I said, this is gonna be 11 3/4. So both of them, top and bottom. So let me get one good measure, make sure I'm on the right track. A little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna straighten it up. That's because I drew the line on the outside. Yeah, it's still closer to 12, but that's okay. I'm gonna take a little bit off.
I actually know what you're talking about now from doing that paper yesterday and making a template. That was actually harder than what I thought yesterday.
All right, I'm gonna measure one more time. So 11 is 7. Yeah. So I'm gonna measure it, see which one is bigger. A little bit up.
And then once you get your templates, that's good because then you know they both will be the same size, right?
Yep.
Okay. Perfect.
This one a little bit crooked right there.
What can we do to make your job easier by doing this? Get you some extenders or something?
I mean, for these big sheets like this.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
With the measuring lines on it, right? Okay. That way you can do like one cut, it'll all be the same size. Right now we on our DIY type tip. That's okay, y'all. After these messages, we'll be right back. Down the line. Let's see, y'all. We did not. All right, y'all, so we got our samples in the mail for the wallpapers. I'm pretty excited to see these. What you think, babe? The first one was our wall upstairs for the color that we just did the dresser. Wow, it looks almost exact, don't it? That's another one. Oh, this looks kind of cream though. That is cream compared to this. This is kind of black and white for real. That was a fun blue one. Wow.
1846.
Okay, he's such a hater. I was more concerned about this one matching this, that and that kind of matching or coordinating at least. I think it'll coordinate. It doesn't have to match perfectly. I think we need to. This one, what you thinking? I like it.
I said move.
All right, Terrence liked that one. That's the one you liked, remember? Yeah, that was the white with the black because this was the black, okay? And then my very, very fun one was this one. You can see the color scheme of like the color that I go for is that color in all of the colors. And these are all peel and stick. And it's called One Decor is where we got these samples from. We'll look at these in different locations. Right. Good morning. We're back. We're on our way to Home Depot and I'm just looking at the samples from yesterday, just trying to really see how I am going to incorporate some of these in the house. A lot of them look like they're the same. A lot of black and white and not a lot of color. I don't even know if I showed y'all the chair. We was at their store and I didn't want to pick up a chair because we didn't have a rug. You don't need everything clashing, and that chair was pretty colorful. If I didn't show you, I'm gonna pop it up right here. It was pretty colorful, and to add that in and not know what kind of rug I'm gonna get, and I was already thinking in my mind rug black and white. I just didn't think that go with black and white in the living room. We're getting ready to go eat breakfast, just like that. Breakfast. We'll talk to y'all a little bit later once we make some decisions. What y'all think of this rug?
That's fine.
All right, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about the rug. This is one that we're thinking about. The 8x10. Terrence said we needed a 7x9 or a 6x9, but now he's saying we probably could do an 8x10. So I love this rug right here for my bedroom. And yep, I think I picked this rug out before, as I'm looking at it a long time ago, and it's on clearance today. Yeah, okay.
They had one 2 weeks ago that was sold for that.
Wow.
And then they brought this one out while they were taking the other one away.
Both of them have electricity in them?
Yes.
Look at this, y'all. We used to always make a joke about these is. I'll grab the cup. Now, what's on his mind? What's on your mind?
Living a dream.
Living the fucking dream. Wait on our pizza to come. Say our prayers. Never been here before, but this pizza is really good. I'm give it a 10 out of 10 for homemade pizza. It's good. Y'all want some? Okay, honey is adding the felt to the bottom of the legs so that that baby won't move. Well, that when we move it on the floor, you know. Good morning to my puppies. Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, little fellas. Happy Monday. We have started up over again. Y'all, Wally want to say hello. Hey, give him a kiss. Okay, Poncho. Poncho's shy. First of all, give my husband props for using the little thing that I bought right there on the wall to go ahead and record. Okay, go ahead, honey. But look at this, y'all. So I was upstairs trying to get some content settled and get the video out for my other channel. And look at what we have here. We are like, oh my gosh, he's doing it. He is putting together the shelf. Let me give y'all a full 360. Okay. Y'all see it? I didn't get the cuts and stuff, but it's here. It's coming to full life, fruition. Yeah, you got the thing in here. You got the, okay. All right. So we got back. Now we just need doors. Oh, I don't know if it's the paint, but it's the paint. I gotta try a different color. Okay. Somebody got to get my fuchsia paint. He didn't mean that, y'all. Y'all didn't.